speaking.
You stole my TV. You went with my bed. You went with my fridge. Where are my stuffs?
Maybe you're crazy.
You thought we'd never meet, Indio? I'm not crazy.
You're crazy because
I'm not
I
crazy.
don't know you.
I know what I'm saying.
I don't know you. That is
Yo, inakuaje watu wangu wa nguvu. Again, this is Osi and this is Pausi TV. So guys, bado tunafanya prank. I want to prank these ladies that nataka ku prank madam that we used to date some time back and then tukaachana akanibia everything na akaenda na kila kitu. So already nimespot kadem kana come from the other side. Nataka tuka prank tuone vile kata react, okay? Let's do this my guys. I hope hata realize. I hope hatajua tuna shoot. Cameraman anafaa ajifiche. I'll just pretend. Watu wangu. Akaka sijui itaenda aje. Let's see how this goes. Kanaka kamechoka. Kwani kanatoka wapi? It's Sunday. Excuse me. Sasa? You look familiar.
how? Finally.
You look so familiar.
But no, you don't.
What's your name?
I'm Claire.
Claire.
Yeah.
Yes, you are Claire. Exactly. I've been looking for you.
Why?
So you thought we'll never meet.
How?
You thought we'll never meet. Yeah?
I don't know you.
Claire.
Yeah, I don't know you. I'm Claire.
Unatokea wapi?
Me, Uganda.
Uganda, exactly. You're the person I've been looking for.
Mbaya.
You stole everything from my house. Ukafikia tu ipatana.
Like what?
You stole everything from my house. Ukafikia tu ipatana, si ndio?
I don't know you.
Let me tell you, dunia ni mviringo, sawa? The world is round na tumepatana.
Si nimekwambia sikujui.
Where's my TV?
Which kind of a TV do I have?
Where's my TV?
Mimi sikujui.
Vitu ulinibia kutoka kwa nyumba ulipeleka wapi?
Kitu gani? Mimi sikujui.
You stole my TV. You went with my bed. You went with my fridge. Where are my stuffs?
Maybe you're
You
crazy.
thought we'd never meet, Indio? I'm not crazy.
You're crazy because
I'm not
I
crazy.
don't know you.
I know what I'm saying.
I don't know you. That is
Where are my
it.
stuffs?
Which stuffs? Me, I don't know
You know,
anything
let me
about
tell you, cooperate to solve hii kitu vizuri. Because ukiendelea kuniongelesha hivyo, it will be bad on you.
Sina kitu zako zote. Umesikia? Ebu mimi niko bahari, nataka tuende.
Ni sawa utaenda, usiniambie hata mimi niko na haraka naenda mahali. I just want you to tell me where are my stuffs. We used to date, tulikuwa tuna date 2019 to 2020.
I don't know you.
I know you and you are the one.
This is even my first date to see you. That is it.
Where are my stuffs?
I don't know you.
Usitake kitu iende mbaya.
Sina
Because
kitu.
if you want iende mbaya itaenda vibaya.
Sina kitu yote yako.
Vitu zangu ulipeleka wapi?
Sina kitu yote yako.
Claire.
I'm Claire.
Claire.
Yeah.
Si unatoka Uganda?
Natoka Uganda but I don't know you.
Can you just stop pretending?
I don't know you. Sikujui.
Claire, can you just stop pretending?
Sikujui.
Where are my stuffs?
Sikujui. I don't know anything about you. Please.
Hata hauna huruma. Yaani uliniachia mattress peke yake.
Sikujui. Where are you even staying?
Uliniachia mattress peke yake.
Sikujui.
Why did you do that? Mbona?
I told you I don't know you. You're just talking nonsense.
I'm
That
talking
is
nonsense?
it. Yeah.
No, unasema naongea nonsense nikikuuliza vitu zangu mali ulipeleka?
Sina kitu yako yote. Si umesikia?
Where are my stuffs?
Sina kitu yako yote.
Where are my stuffs?
Hey,
Do you know I can call the police right now?
you can call if you want. No problem there.
Where are my stuffs?
Like what?
Fridge, TV, bed.
Sina kitu yote nimekuambia. Amoski.
It's just a prank. Watu wangu. Yo, thank you guys for watching.